You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can set up a bakery business with 1.5 million naira. At least less than 1.5 million naira, you can set up a very good bakery and run your business, make profit in 2024. Stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it, because I'm going to share with you deep secrets and step by step on how you can set up this business. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Let me share with you some steps that will help you to grow, some steps that will enable you to make profit, so that you will not regret, you will not think that the business is not lucrative. One, the management. Your ability to manage your bakery is very important. If you hand it over to the hands of, if you put it in the hands of anyhow person, they will take your business for granted, not knowing how much you have invested, and so they will do anything the way they like and the business will not grow. So you must take full responsibility of your business, or you must hand it over to somebody that can manage it well, that will see this as a business and a business with potential to grow. So who is in charge of your business can destroy the business or can build the business. So another secret is that you don't just share your recipe with anybody. No, even if you are all that busy, you should find time to come and mix the recipe, to put it in bags or containers and keep according to the quantity they are to mix for the day, or per mixing. So if you do it like that, they will not really know what you have combined. Let the storeroom be always locked. One of the major problems in setting up a new bakery is equipment. And in this video, I carefully sought out some of the important equipment, some of the most important equipment that you will need for your bakery to function. So I'm going to give them one by one. Look at the equipment that you will need at least to set up this business. Remember, we are looking at small scale, and so some of the equipment are locally made. Now let's look at the quarter bag mixer. You have to go for the quarter bag mixer, which will cost you this amount, 480,000 naira. It will cost you 480,000 naira. And then the locally fabricated oven, they are everywhere. In every state you find people that will fabricate it for you. And now this locally fabricated, you have to tell them that you need the one that generates heat both up and down. The heat source comes from up and down. That way the heat will be evenly distributed in the oven. But if you buy the one that generates heat from the downside alone, the layers, the baking will not be uniform. The baking will not be uniform because heat is coming from one side. But if the heat is coming from up and down, it will give you a uniform bread. So at least 9.5 kVA generator, it will cost you 320,000 naira. The next one, you just need to buy some pans and tray. I will budget 50,000 naira. Also the tables that you are going to use in molding and weighing and all those ones, 50,000 naira. The scale that you are going to use in weighing your dough, let's look at 40,000 naira. And then other things that you may need, like the nylon, the flour, the recipes, we are budgeting 320,000. So total cost now become 1.5 million naira. So with this, you can set up a bakery business here in Nigeria. Before we continue, please like this video, share, drop your comment. They are very important. It costs you nothing to press the like button. Just press the like button. There are two things you need to learn. You need to really know and decide where to locate your bakery. Number one, are you supplying to the rich or you are supplying to the poor? Let me explain. Now, those that are rich, they look for quality. The poor and those laborers, those that are in sites, in construction sites, those that are going to one place or the other to do heavy work and all, they don't need your quality. All they want is size. All they want is quantity. So these are two different persons you are to supply. So you have to decide which group of people are you really targeting. Now, if you are targeting the rich and your bread is inferior, maybe the location is advanced, estates and all that, you are targeting the rich, your audience should be the rich. So what you should do is to look at quality. And so you must produce good quality loaf that when you present it to them, they will come back. That is the key for that area. Now, if you are distributing to all those roadside retailers and small retail stores scattered all over your state or all over your local government, all over your vicinity, then it must not be that quality, although it shouldn't be all too inferior. And so what you do is to sit down and make this decision. Look at the environment, study the environment, know the type of people that are there. Having said that, let's look at the next one, your recipe. Your recipe is very important, whether you are targeting the rich or the poor. If you miss your recipe, if your recipe is not commercial, for commercial purpose, you will miss it. What I mean is that you don't just go on YouTube and watch video that they produce bread at home, put in 4 eggs and 3 and butter and this and that, and then use that recipe to come and produce, thinking that you will make it. No. Whether you are producing for the rich, yet there must be control. Whether you are producing for the poor, you must decide. So your recipe, the combination of your recipe will destroy or build your business. Now, there are people that will target benchmark a certain loaf of bread, a certain company. We want our bread to be like this or to be similar or better than this. No, you study the environment and decide that, okay, since we are targeting this audience, let our bread be better than so type of bread that everyone is buying. So if so people are selling there already and the people there love that bread, what you need to do is to get your baker and tell him this is what I want, or a little bit better than this. And so your baker should be able to formulate recipes, to put that recipe that will defeat that loaf, yet you give it at the same range, the same price. And that way you will break into the market, because every location in Nigeria, every location, there are people that supply bread. And so for you to hinder them, for you to stop them from coming every time, your bread must defeat their own bread. Thank you for watching. For training and consultation, please call the number or WhatsApp. You can send me a message on WhatsApp and I will respond to you. If you want me to visit your bakery, you can also contact us. We come and train your workers, train your people, and do our best. When we come, we reason together, we put recipe together. No man is an island of knowledge. We put heads together and make sure at the end, make sure that you have the best. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.